Up this way. Come on. Got to get her upriver and then bring her back into the net. She goes. Yes. What a beautiful fish. Up and into the net. There we go. Dude. Isn't that a beautiful fish or what? Look at that thing. Yeah. Every week. Well, it is another beautiful day on the Cowlitz River. Look behind me here. It's wonderful. A lot of leaves. Every week there's a lot of leaves. But you never know when you're going to have a surprise. Just pop up out of nowhere. At least it didn't damage my bench. But look at this. You guessed it. I can't launch my boat. Oh, would you look at that? It's a Christmas miracle, and I'm able to use my boat launch again. I think it's like 3 o'clock, and it gets dark really early now. So after working on that thing, taking care of some other stuff, my kicker wasn't running all that good, so I did an oil change, replaced the spark plugs. Now it's running really well. So I'm gonna run up there, and we're gonna see if we can catch a fish before it gets dark.
This journey started in the 60s, and I have fished from Alaska to Florida, hunted the Arctic for caribou, and combed the coastlines of Kodiak and the Aleutian Islands in search of meaning and purpose. These excursions exemplify a deeper understanding of success beyond that of just catching fish or bagging big game. They are about the chase and learning who you are. They are about exploring, appreciating, and respecting the vast expanses of our nation's forests, lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans, and finding our place in the universe. My name is Gene Quinney. These are my stories, this is my life, and these are my adventures.
Water seems a little high. I didn't check the flow. It doesn't really matter. I never check the flow anyway. I just fish. So I ran up, and as you can see, there's nobody here. I checked in earlier by driving down to the ramp here when I first came down, and there were 3 boats. Now there are no boats. Just me. I'm gonna start right here. Make sure my drag is set properly. I don't know if you guys do this, but hold on. Control the boat here first. Every time I get done using my rods, no matter what kind of rod it is, I always loosen the drag up all the way. So there's no tension on the drag as it sits. All right, well, it's cold, it's wet, it's late. It is perfect weather. I love this. Raining. Oh. Cold. Beautiful fall day. And we're gonna see if we can catch coho. Oh man, the kicker's running nice and smooth since I cleaned up the plugs. I didn't replace the plugs, I just cleaned them up. Like we used to do back in the old days with the old cars. I've had a bunch of cars. My first car was a 65 Impala. My second car was a 66 Super Sport, Chevelle Super Sport. Third car was a 69 El Camino Super Sport, the 396. That was an awesome car. I really miss that car. I miss them all, actually. And then my last muscle car was a 65 Impala Super Sport. Whoa, wrong way. Dang it, I do that. But back in those days, especially when I was younger, didn't have a lot of money to spend on working on cars because they needed so much regular maintenance. Come on, don't bump the ground, don't bump. God, I'm so close. Look at that. I'm like 8 feet off the bank. They needed so much regular maintenance that, you know, I was young and I didn't have a lot of money. Didn't have any money, actually. I couldn't afford to take care of them like you should. And so what I would do is I would just clean up the plugs, put them back in, clean up the points, put them back in. Oh, scrape the corrosion off the distributor cap. And reuse it until I couldn't do that anymore. Oh yeah, motor's running nice and smooth now. Come on, baby. We're almost down to the end. All right, I'm gonna run back up. Bake this one up first. Okay, we're back up. That's a chilly ride up in the rain. Pummeling your face. Oh, what's that? Oh, nope, 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 nope. Got me excited there for a second. There we go. Yes. 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 Look at that. Look at that. Second drift. This is a big fish too. Oh, it's a bright coho baby. Try to keep it up here in this part of the river so I don't have to run back up if I can. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a nice looking fish. I can see the side shining there in the river. Okay, she's coming up. She's coming up. Come on, baby. Come to me. Oh, it's a nice looking hen. It's a nice looking hatchery fish too. It is a clipped fish. Oh, come to me, come to me, come to me. Come to me. Up this way. Come on. Gotta get her upriver and then bring her back into the net. She goes. Yes. What a beautiful fish. What a beautiful fish. Oh, pull her up to the bank here at the slough. Oh, and relish in the glory. Oh, seriously. Oh man, what a beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, and she wasn't going anywhere. She had that hook up there in the top of her mouth. Look at that sucker. Look at her. That's chrome. That's chrome. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Man, what a fish, huh? What a fish. Let's get her on the stringer, get her bled out. While we still have a little bit of light left, we'll see if we can't catch two. Come here, baby. I know. She needs to be bled. When there's a little bit of blood on my eggs, I don't worry about it. Just like that. All right. Okay. Well, just landed that fish, so we're gonna see what we can do again. If I can get one more fish and get two, oh my gosh, in a just short amount of time, that would be awesome. Oh, a big old ugly king just came sailing out of the water up there. Like 3 feet out of the water. Big and black. I know I said if I caught one fish, I would be happy and I'd quit, but it's like a last cast thing, you know, when the fish are hitting, you know, you just don't want to quit. I have eggs left, I have light left. Oh, so I'm gonna keep fishing until one of a few things happen. I either catch a fish so I can quit, because I'll have my 2 fish, or I run out of bait. I'm not gonna run out of leaders or rods or anything like that. I don't think I'm gonna run out of bait either. I still have about 8 chunks left. Okay, I gotta run back up. Okay, come on. Now this is the first time all night I've been on this side of the river. I've been fishing the center. Matter of fact, I'm not over there far enough. I'd like to get over there a little further. Come on, fish! Quit messing around with me. There we go, come on. Need to get this baby in the boat. That's a nice fish. It's a beautiful fish. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, you know you want to come up. You know you want to get in the net. You just know it. Inch her way up here. Don't want to scare her too much. But I do need to get her. Up a little higher so I can bring her back into the net. Come on. Up, 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 and into the net. Up, and into the net. There we go. Dude. Isn't that a beautiful fish or what? Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Yeah.
If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos where you'll join us on the ocean catching kings and silver salmon, lakes catching kokanee trout, and landlocked coho. We'll also be working our riverfront homestead and harvesting venison. Stay tuned for more fishing and hunting and outdoor adventure videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you get notifications of new uploads. Thank you for watching.